In today's video, we are going to cover how to send follow-up emails after form submissions in HubSpot. Start in your HubSpot account and open the workflow area by going to More, then Automation. From there, click Create Workflow. In the template search, look for Send Email when form is submitted. This brings up the workflow option designed for sending an automated follow-up after a form entry. Once you see that template, select Send Email when form is submitted and click Use Template. HubSpot will open the template overview first, which gives you a quick look at how the workflow is set up before you begin editing it. At this stage, review the overview and confirm that the enrollment trigger is form submission. When that looks correct, click Use Template again to move into the workflow editor. Inside the editor, start with the enrollment trigger, open the form submission trigger, and review the conditions attached to it. If you want every form submission to enter this workflow, you can leave it as it is. If you only want contacts from a specific form to enroll, add the filter conditions that match that form. This part matters because the trigger decides exactly which contacts will receive the follow-up email. After the trigger is set, move to the Send Email action in the workflow. Click that action to open its settings. You will see an automated email dropdown where you can choose the message that will be sent to contacts after they submit the form. If the email already exists, select it from the list. If it does not, create a new automated email and then return to the workflow action to choose it there. Make sure you select an automated email, since other email types will not work for this workflow step. Once the correct email is selected, click Save to apply that email action to the workflow. That saves the message choice into the automation so the workflow knows which follow-up email to send. Before you activate anything, take a moment to review the workflow as a whole. Check that the enrollment trigger points to the right form submission condition and that the email action contains the intended automated email. If needed, run a test so you can confirm the setup behaves the way you expect before turning it on for live submissions. When everything looks right, click Review and Turn On. HubSpot will show the final settings for activation, so confirm those details and then activate the workflow. After that, contacts who meet the form submission trigger will automatically receive the follow-up email you configured. Your HubSpot workflow is now active and set to send a follow-up email after form submissions.